Hi guys, it's Molly-Mae and today we're going to be creating a zombie Tomb Raider look for Halloween. So I've always wanted to do like a Lara Croft look for Halloween, but obviously Lara Croft isn't really that scary. She's kind of more sexy, so I feel like with the zombie vibe, hopefully we're going to make it a little bit more scary and a bit more Halloween relatable. So we're just putting powder underneath my eyes so that the fallout from the heavy eyeshadow doesn't ruin my face makeup. So now we're going to stick a lash on and then we're going to smoke it up underneath with the same red colours, and then we're going to try and add some funky zombie veins onto my face coming down from my eyes. Now we're going to use a dark ashy shade to create a deep contour to make me look gaunt like a zombie. So to make it extra scary and Halloweeny, we're going to add some fake blood to the areas of my face and my lips to make it look gory. So now it's time to get the Lara Croft hairstyle. We're going to be doing a sleek pony with a rope braid. So this is the final look, and now it's time to get changed into my Lara Croft zombie outfit. If you want to recreate this look, swipe up now.